In the vibrant heart of Kingston, Jamaica, there lived a martial artist named Ben, renowned not just for his mastery of karate and capoeira but also for his unbreakable Jamaican aura. One evening, as the sun shined from above the blue mountains, Ben was practicing his moves on the beach, feeling the rhythm of the waves and the pulse of reggae in his soul. Suddenly, a strange shimmering light appeared over the horizon. Ben paused, eyes narrowing. Out of the glow descended a sleek, silver spacecraft, unlike anything he'd ever seen. From the hatch emerged a being with glowing blue eyes and a shimmering aura, an alien traveler named Zyla, seeking help. Zyla explained that her planet, Zephyria, was jittering because a mysterious cosmic energy was channeling its life force. Her people believed that a legendary Jamaican martial artist, known for his strength and harmony with nature, could restore balance. She had traveled across galaxies to find him. Ben, inspired by his island's motto, "We are iron like a lion in Zion," agreed to help. Using his martial arts skills, he combined traditional Jamaican dance moves with cosmic energy techniques, creating a new, rhythmic fighting style called Vibe Force. As he meditated to the beat of reggae, he tapped into the universe's rhythm, channeling energy through his fists and feet. In a final showdown, Ben faced the cosmic energy siphoning Zephyria's life. With a powerful kapow and a dance-inspired spinning kick, he unleashed his Vibe Force, restoring the planet's energy and saving its people. Zyla cheered, offering Ben a crystal from her world as a token of gratitude. Ben returned to Kingston, his spirit even stronger. He knew that no matter how far he traveled, the true power was in the rhythm, unity, and resilience of his Jamaican roots. From that day, he was known as the martial vibe of the universe, a hero who brought harmony from the stars back home. And so, the island's legend grew, Ben's cosmic adventure reminding everyone that with rhythm, courage, and a little Jamaican flair, anything is possible.